Hey, what's going on? Zero Day Jay here, hope all is well. It's Friday, May 16th. The market closed 27 minutes ago. I just finished streaming like 10 minutes ago. If you were there, thank you so much for hanging out. If you weren't there, you missed out. I stream every single day for Power Hour 2 and 2 close, 3 to 5 p.m. Eastern. I also stream during random times. Other times, sometimes it could be during the New York Open. Other times it could be during the overnight, around London. Other times it's just during Asia. But if you want to hang out and you want to watch me trade like a degenerate and also hang out with amazing people in the chat, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my notifications when I do go live. Anyway, I'm in my Apex Trader funding account. As you can see here, the one eval I tried to trade, I literally tried to trade right here and I fucking blew it. I almost had it too. I went short and then it came back up. There was some news that happened literally right at the end of the day within the last 18 minutes of trading. And we absolutely dumped like 100 and something points, 120 points. Yeah, just about. And I tried to play it and it didn't work out too well for me. I don't care about this eval. At this point, I was already annoyed because I did to my funded accounts, which you're about to see. I had this one sitting here for a couple of days. I wanted to play Pass or Smash. It's just, I didn't like the way the candles were moving all day today. It was awful. It was like OPEX. It seems like gold was the play. But anyway, let me show you what happened in my Well Charts account. Fucking stupid. I had 3 funded accounts. I had 297, 298, and 299. I was up. I was green in 299. I traded 297. I was green in 299. I was up in 299. I was up in 297, a few $100, and I did this at the very end because out of just pure frustration because I had 299 green too, but I didn't trade 298 yet, and I was waiting. This started happening, and I wanted to play a bounce, and I got fucked. I should have just played the short. I was not aware of this. Moody's at the very end of the day decided to downgrade the U.S. from AAA to AA1. And the market absolutely tanked. And it was right when I was still trading my funded accounts at the end of the day, at the end of the week, on OPEX of all days. What's funny about it is I wanted to play the short, and I didn't. I liked it. I was like, I think it's going to reject here. And it did, but it wasn't like dumping. And then it started coming down, and I was like, maybe it'll bounce around here, or maybe it'll bounce around here. And I just kept getting stopped out. And then I lost the account, which was at like $1,500 in fucking profit before I even traded it. I should have just taken the first L and called it a day. But you know me, I'm a fucking stubborn prick. And I want to finish the day green. I was just talking about it too. I was just talking about how I either finish the day green or in the past, because I'm going to work to get better at it, I would either finish the day green or I would just let the account blow. I don't know how to have a red day. And it just happened again. And then 299, I was annoyed about. That was up a few $100 or a couple $100. Let's see. Let's go to trades. I'll show you 299. Today. Today's the 16th. So I was up, my first trade I took, I was up $345. No reason for me to trade this anymore. And then I was annoyed that I blew the other account, so I was still trying to catch a falling knife, and I just kept giving it all back until I blew the account. Fucking idiot. So that's what I deserve. I deserve it. 298, never had a chance. Never had a fucking chance. 298. Just kept losing. Losing until it was gone. And then 299, or 297? 297. So I was up 155. I gave back 694. And then I got 1,790 because I was waiting for the fucking bounce. I caught a bunch of this. So I finished the day on that one up 1,252. Whatever. It's not the end of the world. It's okay. You know why I don't care as much? Because I just requested another $1,200 from my funded futures, and I'm going to request $235 from Take Profit Trader over the weekend. Tonight, really, but I'll get the money over the weekend, and I'm over $16,000 in payouts this month. My best month just keeps getting better. I'm just about $4,000 over my previous best month, which was about $12,500 in December. It was either $12,577 or $12,455. I don't remember the exact number. It was around that. And I'm almost $4,000 over my previous best month. So I'm okay with this. This sucks. Was I annoyed when it happened? Of course. I'm a fucking idiot for falling for that. And I drew a fib, and this was the 618 right here. We rejected off the 618. And I wasn't expecting this type of flush, 120-point flush, 10 minutes before the market closes. But that's what happens when it's like they waited all day for that to happen. They waited for everybody, all of their pals, to get their money, to get out of their trades, and then they fucking dumped it on everybody else, all the retail traders like me. Good thing it's just a prop firm account and not a real account. And I wasn't sitting there trying to get a little more at the end of the day. But nonetheless, I still have this one, and I'll just build back my Apex accounts up. So that's where I'm at. It sucks. It is what it is. Anyway, Apex is doing 80% off until the end of next Tuesday, May 20th, 11:59 p.m. Eastern. From now until then, you can get 80% off any size eval using the best code ZERODAYJAY. The big accounts, the 150s, 250s, and 300s are all $59.40 when you put in my code ZERODAYJAY. The 25Ks are $29.40, and I think the 50Ks are $33.40. So if you want to take advantage of this deal and support the channel, use my code ZERODAYJAY. It's the best code. It's got the highest pass rate, the highest payout rate, and the fastest payout rate. I can't confirm that with actual data, but the DGen data in the chat, on the stream, in the Discord where the DCA gang hangs out tells me this is the case. You should try it for yourself. If not, no big deal. The fact that you're watching this video and hanging out on my streams or any of that is support enough. I appreciate you. But it is the best code. Anyway, if you have any questions on any of this, leave it in the comment section below. Smash the like button for Trevor Laconte. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell. Hopefully, I'll see you on one of my streams. Make sure you stop by and say hello. If not, I'll see you on the next one. Thanks. Enjoy the rest of your day. I'll talk to you soon.